Have you thought out a way to prepare for plants in a simple and easy way?
We are Blaze of Elizabeth Secret School, and we are pleased to present Assistive Gardening Robot for Individuals, aka A.G.R.I.
Agriculture plays a vital role in it.
But let's have learners today lack knowledge and interest in how crops are properly planted and taken care of due to the way it's usually taught. In most cases, agriculture is taught through books and lectures but not hands-on learning.
As a result, learners do not get enough opportunities to experience correct farming processes, which in turn makes them struggle to fully understand correct processes to care for plants and can lead them to doing the process correctly.
Without experience, it will be difficult for young learners to understand the process. And when these processes aren't understood correctly, it can lead to mistakes in crop management. These mistakes may cause poor plant health and low crop yield.
A.G.R.I provides step-by-step instructions on how to plant or take care of crops. Using the microbit's 5x5 LED display, it can show messages to guide learners through basic agricultural processes.
A.G.R.I provides an interactive experience for young learners so they can actively participate rather than just listen to lectures.
A.G.R.I lets young learners learn at their own pace by moving when learning.
A.G.R.I is easy to use and portable. It is small, lightweight, and easy to set up. You can bring it anywhere and set it up quickly.
By pressing 1, 2, 3 on the remote, A.G.R.I will choose one of the 3 plants.
If you press 1, the plant will become foam. If you press 2, it will be killed. And if you press 3, the plant will be millennial. Pressing 4 will trigger A.G.R.I to go to the first phase, planting.
Pressing 5 will make A.G.R.I move to the next area, watering. It will show a level based on how much water the plant needs.
Pressing 6 will move A.G.R.I to move to the next area. Growing, it will show how many weeks it takes for the chosen plant to grow and will display a growing animation.
Pressing 7 will make A.G.R.I move to the final area, harvesting. It will show an icon that we can already harvest it, and then A.G.R.I will spin to show a happy dance as a sign that we have successfully harvested the crop.
This is important because it will help you in planting specific plants.
Once again, I am Travis Consul.
I am William Rodriguez.
I am A.G.R.I
And we are Junior Grade.